In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image or background in Canva. Whether you're looking to create a subtle effect or want to highlight a subject by softening the background, Canva makes it easy to achieve these effects. So let's get started. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's simple to sign up and you can use the free version to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're in Canva, look towards the top left of your screen and click on the Create a Design button. This will allow you to start a new project. You can choose any format or size that fits your needs, be it a social media post, a presentation slide, or a custom dimension. After creating your design, the next step is to upload the image you wish to edit. On the left-hand panel, you'll see an Uploads tab. Click on it, then hit the Upload Files button. This will open up your library, allowing you to select the image file you want to work with. Choose your desired image and it will be uploaded to your Canva workspace. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto your blank canvas. With the image in position, click on it to reveal the option to Edit Image in the top toolbar. Clicking this will bring up a range of editing tools, but for today, we're focusing on the Blur option. Find Blur in the Effects panel. Clicking on it will bring up a brush tool, which you can use to apply the blur effects selectively. If you're aiming to blur the entire image, simply increase the intensity of the blur. If you want to blur only the background while keeping the subject sharp, carefully use the brush tool to apply the blur around the areas you wish to soften. You can adjust the size and intensity of the brush to suit your needs, giving you complete control over how much blur is applied and where. Take your time with this step. Blurring is an excellent way to draw attention to certain parts of an image, so make sure you're happy with how it looks. When you're satisfied with the result, it's time to save your work. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Save. This will ensure that all your changes are stored and you can download or share your newly edited image directly from Canva. And there you have it. Blurring an image or background in Canva is straightforward and opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, this tool can help enhance your visual projects effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Canva. See you next time.